Hi, I'm Jason. Hope you're doing good. One of the biggest hidden problems in chiropractic offices isn't getting patients, it's managing appointments efficiently. Because when scheduling becomes messy, everything starts breaking down. Patients forget appointments, front desk gets overwhelmed, voicemail pile up, follow-ups get missed, and empty time slots start costing your business money. And the frustrating part about this is most chiropractors didn't start their practice because they wanted to spend hours managing reminders, texting patients, and chasing confirmations all day. They started because they wanted to help people. And that's exactly where automations can completely change how your practice operates. Imagine this instead. A patient books an appointment and instantly receives a confirmation text, an appointment reminder, follow-up messages, rebooking reminders, and even review requests automatically. Your office feels more organized, more professional, and much less stressful. And that's exactly what GoHighLevel helps chiropractors do. And in this video, I'm going to be walking you through everything step by step in a beginner-friendly way. No coding, no complicated setup, and no technical experience needed. We're going to build a simple chiropractic appointment automation system together. That can help your office save time, reduce no-shows, and improve patient communication. And if you want to follow along, you can test it out yourself by clicking the link in the description and signing up for completely free. Now, let's dive in. So first, what exactly is GoHighLevel? The easiest way to explain it is GoHighLevel is an all-in-one CRM and automation platform designed to help businesses manage communication, appointments, follow-up, and customer relationships. So instead of using one tool for scheduling, another for texting, another for email, and another for CRM, and another for reminder system, everything works together in one platform. And for chiropractic offices especially, that can become incredibly useful because chiropractic practices rely heavily on appointments consistency, patient communication, follow-ups, and retention. And that's why automation becomes so valuable here. Now, let me show you around the platform. Okay, once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to your GoHighLevel dashboard. And the first thing I want you to pay attention to is conversations. And this is where your office can manage text messages, calls, emails, and patient communication from all of the different social media platforms. So you no longer need to log into Instagram, Facebook, and all of those other platforms. You'll be able to monitor everything right here. Next, we have contacts. And this is where all of your patient and lead information automatically will be stored. So anytime somebody books an appointment, for example, fills out a form, or contacts your office, their information gets saved here. Now, this section is especially useful for chiropractors, calendars, because appointment scheduling is one of the biggest parts of running a chiropractic office. Then over here, we have automation. And this is where GoHighLevel starts helping your office save time automatically. And let me show you one of the best chiropractic automations right now. This right here can dramatically reduce appointment confusion and no-shows. Let's say a customer books an appointment online. Instead of your front desk manually texting confirmations all day, GoHighLevel can automate everything instantly. So let's build this together. After you have selected automation, you're just going to tap on Create Workflow and you're going to tap on Start from Scratch. After you have selected Start from Scratch, you're going to tap on Add Trigger. And this is basically the action that is going to kick off the whole automation. So you're going to tap right here and you could search for example, appointment booked. So you could type it in right here. So you'll type in appointment and you'll see customer booked appointment. You're just going to tap right there. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Save Trigger. So once the customer has booked the appointment, it will automatically start the automation. Then you're going to select the plus to add another action. And the action that we'll be adding is Send SMS. So you're going to type in Send SMS and you're going to select it. And here's a simple confirmation message you can use. You could type in, for example, Hi, your chiropractic appointment with Align Wellness Chiropractic is confirmed for Tuesday at 2 p.m. Reply here if you have any questions. Once you have done that, you'll tap on Save Action and you'll just select Publish. And just like that, simple, professional, and automatic. Now, every patient instantly receives a confirmation without your staff manually sending messages all day. This alone can make your office feel much more organized. Now let's automate appointment reminders, because this is one of the biggest advantages of using GoHighLevel for chiropractic offices. No-shows cost chiropractors money constantly. Patients forget, schedules change, people get busy. But reminder systems can significantly reduce this problem. So once inside GoHighLevel, what I want you to do is tap on Create Workflow. And then from here, they have a template that you can use. So you could simply tap on Select from Template. After you have tapped on Select from Template, you can search for Customer Appointment. So you can see it right here. And you're just going to tap on Choose. After you have selected Choose, you're going to give it a few seconds. And you can see how it's set up. So the first thing someone will do, from here, you can see Appointment Status. So once they have booked their appointment, they'll receive a confirmation email. And you can edit the confirmation email, so we could tap right there and you could scroll down and you can edit it, but you can see how it will look. So you have hi, and it is going to automatically fill in the contact's first name. Your appointment has been confirmed for, and you can see the start and end date right there. So that's how it will look. After they have received the confirmation email, 24 hours before the appointment, they are going to receive a reminder email. Then 1 hour before the appointment, they are going to receive another reminder email and a reminder SMS. Then 5 minutes before, they are going to receive a reminder email and a reminder SMS. So just like that, reminders happen automatically every single day without your staff having to think about it. Now let's look at rebooking and patient follow-up. Now here's where things get really powerful for chiropractors: patient retention and rebooking. Because many chiropractic patients need ongoing visits, but without follow-up, patients often disappear. GoHighLevel helps you automate that process too. For example, after an appointment, you can automatically send follow-up texts, wellness check-ins, and also rebooking reminders and review requests. So imagine a patient hasn't booked another appointment in 30 days and automatically receives, "Hey John, it's been a while since your last chiropractic adjustment. Ready to schedule your next visit?" Simple follow-up systems like this help keep patients engaged consistently. And over time, that can increase patient retention significantly. Let's say for this example, we'll tap on Bill using AI. And I'll simply type in this prompt: create an automation that reaches out to previous clients that have used our services over the past year to 3 months and haven't rebooked an appointment. And I'll tap on Enter. After you have done that, you're going to be redirected to this page, and you're just going to give it a few seconds. Then on the left hand menu option, you can see right here, it is creating our automation. So you can see how should this automation be triggered for your previous clients. I will upload a list of previous clients. You can choose that, or you can choose to automatically find clients. So we'll select that option. After you have done that, you're just going to give it a few seconds, and you can see right there which channel should we use. You can choose whether to send an email, or you could choose to send an SMS. And you're just going to give it a few seconds. And just like that, it will create the automation for you. So if it is a case that you don't want to manually go through the process, you can always use the Bill using AI option when it comes on to GoHighLevel. You can simply type in the type of automation you want, and just like that, it will create the automation for you. So that's an option that you can also look into when it comes on to GoHighLevel. And you can see how the workflow looks right here. So send follow-up rebooking email, then check last appointment date, and you can see 3 to 12 months. Then we'll check last appointment date, and just like that, you can see how the automation will look. Now let's go back. Now, why chiropractors need automation? Most chiropractors want to spend more time helping patients, not drowning in administrative tasks all day. But as practices grow, manual systems start creating problems. Appointments get missed, patients stop responding, staff get overwhelmed, communication becomes inconsistent, and that's where automation becomes incredibly valuable. Not because it replaces your office staff, but because it helps your practice operate more smoothly. It improves communication, scheduling, follow-up, organization, and the overall patient experience. And honestly, those small operational improvements add up fast over time. Now, obviously, I did not cover everything today, as I have only scratched the surface of what GoHighLevel can do when it comes onto chiropractors, as it can help you create websites, lead generation funnels, review automations, email campaigns, patient pipelines, and AI follow-up systems. But I wanted this tutorial to stay practical and beginner friendly, because honestly, the best way to understand this platform is to test it yourself. Once you build your first automation and you see it in action, from there you're going to want to create more. And if you want to test this out, I've left a free link down below in the description. You can follow along this exact tutorial step by step and build your own appointment automation system. Thanks for watching.